Hello, welcome to Learn Stats. Today we're going to go over how to calculate relative risk. We have a chart here, we have a treatment and control group, and we have how many people have died and how many survivors there are. Let's start calculating relative risk. The first thing we have to calculate is risk, and we're going to start with the treatment group. We're going to take deaths and divide it by survivors plus deaths. So deaths divided by the total. This gives us 0.2. For control, we have 40 over 100 because the exact same thing. There's 100 in both groups. What we have for the risk of death is 0.2 for treatment and 0.4 for control. Now, you want to make sure that you're consistent because you could do the risk of surviving. You can go the other way where you can do 80 over 100 and 60 over 100. The next formula is for relative risk, which is the risk of death for treatment over the risk of death for control. And so you would get 0.2 over 0.4, which gives you a 0.5 relative risk. And so how would you interpret that relative risk? You would say the treatment group is 50% less likely than the control group to die. If you were to have something like 0.2, you would say the treatment group is 80% less likely than the control group to die. There is some additional math involved. You do have to subtract it from 1 when it is less likely. Now, what if it's the other way around? Control group over treatment group, so 0.4 over 0.2, you could say the control group is 2 times more likely to die than those in the treatment group. Again, this is just to help you with understanding that you could do it either way in terms of the calculation. You just need to make sure that you're consistent with your interpretation so people understand. At the end of the day, statistics means nothing if you're not able to convey it. So, thank you for watching, and stay nerdy, my friends.